Children, welcome to AyaansEasyMath channel. So here 10th class exams going to come start. So చాలా మంది పిల్లలు 1 mark 2 mark 4 mark and important ఉండి చెప్పండి సార్ అన్నారు. So here the theorem is in the page number we are having 3 Euclid will get for 1 mark. So in the same way in exercise 1.1 we are having Euclid division lemma problems are there. First one and second one just you have to practice the problems. So next fundamental theorem they may ask for 1 mark. Next Hcf and Lco they may ask for 2 marks question. Very important model these are all. So here LCM and Hcf they may ask for 2 marks. Check 6 power n can end with the digit 0 or not. So here next how to find here composite or not. This is very important question. What is the last digit in 6 power 100? Once you revise all these problems, so here the questions which are having 2 mark, which are 1 mark and 2 mark. Here what is rational, irrational? You have to write which is non-terminating, terminating. Here terminating or non-terminating, repeating decimal. You have to check. Next here example 9. Show that 3 root 2 is a irrational number. So otherwise they may ask any one of the question 6 plus root 2 are the here 2 points are there. The sum of 2 irrational numbers need not be irrational. The product of 2 rational numbers need not be irrational. The 2 examples are very important. Next if you go to logarithms, logarithms we are having one example problem here. Example 11. Example 11 343 by 125. Next example 14 this is for 2 marks or may ask for 4 marks. So these are the questions from exercise 1.5. So these are all 1 mark and 2 mark they will ask. Next from the exercise second Roman here 2 questions are noted. Here this second one 7.5 they will get confused. So in Roman number 4 second one is very important. If they want a short question they will ask. This is very important for short question. So here logarithm log 2 is rational or irrational, justify your answer. Very important for 1 mark. Log 100 is rational or irrational, justify your answer. So this is the first chapter. If you go to the chapter 2, chapter 2 we are having roster form, set builder form. We are having the questions 1 mark 2 mark they will ask. Write the following in the roster form, or they may ask matching like this roster form with the set builder form matching will be there. Next null set and 0 are 2 different sets. They have to ask the difference. Next if you go to the next exercise, they are having 3 questions. What is A intersection null set? A intersection A minus B, B minus A is subset of B, A union B. So these are the questions we are having for 1 mark or 2 mark. So here in next exercise, state the reason for the following. So here the reasons are given. Next list of subsets. This is very important question for 1 mark or 2 marks. Next in the same way here we are having try this. Which of the following 2 sets are justify the answer? X such that x plus 5 equal to 5 is non-empty set y. That is also very important. Here think and discuss. N of A, N of B, N of A intersection B, disjoint A union B is given. This is also very important from chapter 2. Now if you go to chapter 3, so from the first exercise they are having check minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x power minus 16. Check 3 and minus 2 are the zero of the polynomial x square minus x minus 6. So here graph is very important. Already 7 marks we have given. 7 marks questions are given uploaded. So here y 1 by 4 and minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial 4x square plus 3x minus 1, or they may ask any graph any of these graphs, and they will ask so how many zeros are there. Next here find the quadratic sum and the product are given minus 3 and 2. Okay, above that problem is given 0 of the polynomial x square minus 3 and verify the relation. That is also an important question. Next, find the quadratic polynomial if the 0 of the it is 2 and minus 1 by 3. That is also an important model. Next, if you go to exercise 3.3, they may ask any one of the questions. First Roman, any one question, second Roman and third Roman. Here this question is very important now. First Roman, third question. Now if you go to last one, give example of a polynomial satisfying given algorithm here. This may they want a difficult means they will ask this type of questions. Now if you go to next chapter. So here try this, we are having the problems. In this they may ask any one of the problem, find the value of p, k and value of p. Practice these problems before going to the exam. So here the problems are there. 10 students participate quiz is there, 4, 5, 6 problems. Here Roman 1 also important. Next solve the pair of equation by substitution method. This is one question. Here in the exercise we are having these two questions are very important for short model. Do this, page number 88. Okay, now if you go to the next one, the two angles are complementary. Here we are having one question, the larger of two supplementary angles 18. It is one important. Two angles are supplementary. The algebra book I had 1382 pages. This is also an important question. So those are doing revision, they can get it easily. Okay, now we'll go to the next topic, progressions. So in progressions we are having the questions. So the amount of money is account every year where 10,000 is deposited at compound interest 8% per annum. A equal to minus 2, D equal to 0. You have to find the remaining 4 terms. Just models we are giving. Next, how many digits numbers are divisible by 3? Very important question. Next, if you go to 9.2, 6.2. So here we are having 11th term. Here which term of this is 78. Here number of terms 18, 15 and half, 13 minus 47. Check 150 is a term or not. Next third term and ninth term is given. 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. How many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? Next how many multiples of 4 lies between 100 and 250? So for what value of n, the nth term of two APs are equal, that is also important. Determine AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceeds 5th term, 20th term from the end. They want difficult means they will ask this one. Next the sum of the first terms 14 terms and AB is 1050. First term is 10, find 20th term. Example 11. So how many terms of AB must be taken to so that the sum is 78? That is also an important 8 marks. 4 marks also they may give. Now 6.3, find the sum of the terms, minus 37, minus 33, 29. So 34, 32, 30, 10 given. Now here two questions are there. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Sum of 700 is 7 prizes, cash prizes. 200 logs, it is given for 4 marks. Now here the question, salary of Sharmila, when the salary is 5 lakhs for the first year and expenses expected to receive an increment of 10%. Perimeter of each triangle and the midpoints are joined. This figure they will ask. Find x, x plus 2, x plus 3 as consecutive terms of GP. They may ask any one question. Next, if you go to the exercise of 6.5, find which term of GP is 512 or 729. This model is very important. Now if you go to the next topic, here example 6. Okay, show that the points are vertices of a square. Next, verify the points are collinear or not. Okay, find the point on y-axis which is equidistant from both the points A 6 5 and B 4 minus 4 3. Next, check they are collinear vertices of isosceles triangle or not. Show that the points are equilateral triangle. If the distance between 2 points x7 11 1 15 is 10, find the value of x. Find the radius of a circle whose center is given passing through the point minus 5 6. Can you draw a triangle with this? Give reason. These are all very very important questions. Next one, 2 3 xy 3 comma 2 are the vertices of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle is the origin. Find xy. This is also an important model. Next, the points A61B is given. What is the parallelogram? What is the value of P? The coordinates are given. Ratio 2:3. So here the parallelogram is the order given. xy you have to find. Circle center is given. We have to find the value. So here centroid. How to find the centroid? This is one question we are having. Heron's formula is there. That is also very very important. Heron's formula. Find the area of a triangle whose length. Now if you go to last exercise, determine the x2 slope of the point P2, 5 x, 3. Next 7.4, how to find the slope. Formula, these problems are very very important. Now if you go to geometry part, so these are the questions which are very very important. Geometry part 8.4 2 3 4 5. 2 marks or 4 marks they may ask. 2 3 4 5. Now if you take this topic, time is not there. We are going fast. So this question is very very important. Theorem 9.2, page number 231. Next, this one problem also important. If the circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral. Next, if you go to exercise, here second, third problem, second, third and fourth are very very important. Exercise 9.2. Now if you go to the last exercise, 9.3, here problem number 5 6 7 8. Problem number 5 6 7 8 definitely will get. 9.3, page number 243. So mensuration is not there. Next we will go to trigonometry. Trigonometry first exercise. Example 2 is there. Example 2 is very very important. Next exercise 1.11.1. 1 2 3 5. 1 2 3 5. Next if you go to example 5, page number 283. Example 5 is also important. Next example 7, 11.2, above we are having 11.2, problem number 3. Now if you go to page number 285, 3 5 6 7, these problems are very very important. 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark also they may ask. Exercise 11.3, first Roman, second one, second Roman, second one and third and 4. These are very very important. 1 mark and 2 mark. Next if you go to page number 290, example 13, very very important. Next example 14 also very very important. Page number 11.4, 2 and 3 are very very important. First Roman 2 and 3. Next second page number 292, 5 6 8. These are very very important questions. Now angle of depression and angle of elevation. They may ask the definition angle of depression and angle of elevation. Okay, the problems are there. The figures you have to practice in these problems. That are very very important. Now if you go to the next topic, probability. So example 3 this is a very important question. Next one example 4 example 6 example in exercise we are having 3 4 6 7 8 3 4 6 7 8 page number 2 316 example 9 page number 30 exercise 13.2 problem number 2 5 2 5 14 is there here. Next these definitions are very important. Equally likely, mutually complementary, exhaustive, sure event, impossible event. So in stat we are having the definition they may ask, and mean, median, mode they will give the formula, and they will ask to explain each and every term. So they may ask mode, how to find the mode of the given data, mean of the data, median of the given data, n plus 1, n plus 2 plus 1 by this one condition is there. Next how to draw the graphs we are having. Okay, so like this some questions are there. So they may ask find the mean of first 10 natural numbers, find the mean of first 10 whole numbers, first 15 prime numbers, like that they may ask the questions. So these are the very important concepts. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video.